Assalamu alaikum.
So read the question. We are discussing the question on probability. One 20 children take part in an athletic competition. Complete the table to show the number of children in each group. Now you can see total is 70. So I can get this number by 70 minus 44. How much is 70 minus 44?
70 minus 26.
Okay. And now, what about the horizontal total is 65. Look at this total 65. So,
Is 65 minus 26.
good.
So that's gonna be 39. 39.
Now, what should I do now?
Now you can, oh yeah, you find the total of age 16. So you would do 120 minus 65.
120 minus 65 is a good idea. 120 minus 65.
That is 55.
Okay. 120 minus 70.
That is 50.
That is 50.
Yes.
Okay. What about age 16 in between?
That would be 11. Yes.
One child is selected at random. Find the probability that it is a girl aged 16. You write your answer in a fraction in its lowest term. So, girl aged 16, the number is 11. So, what should I do? 11 is the probability is favorable outcomes
Yeah.
upon total outcomes.
Wait, sir, wouldn't it be 44? Because it's girls.
Girls are 44 now. Why 42? Are you saying 44 or 42?
No, I'm saying 44.
Okay, then 44 is right choice. And the grand total of the whole group, the grand total.
The whole total is 120.
Then solve it.
Okay.
Simplify it. Write down the ratio, number of girls age 15, number of boys age 15 in its simplest form. So I have 26 and 39. Please simplify these two entries. How much is 44 upon 120?
That's 11 over 30.
Simplify the second, this 26 is to 39. What would be the
So
ratio?
for the ratio, do you divide?
Ratio means divide. Ratio means fraction. You can use
Fraction.
calculator function, which I told you, box upon box.
Okay.
Okay, now can you look for another question?
Another question is
Adjacent to it.
after this one, there's another 2015 one. It's October, November 2015, paper 33. 33. And question 6, part A.
Okay, 33. Natalia has 16 reels of cotton, 6 reels are blue, 4 white, 3 red, 2 black, and 1 green. So there are total 6 blue, 4 white, 3 red, 2 black, and 1 green. Total is 16. So please keep working, keep the working with me, and we remember you had to do.
Yes.
Now write down the color she is most likely to pick. Most likely to pick is the probability. So what would be the highest probability looking here?
It would be blue.
Yes,
Highest blue.
because
Yes.
blue is appearing the most. Okay, copy this solution and reduce the fraction.
It would be 3 by 8. 3 over 8. 8. Yes.
Right. Find the probability that she picks up black reel.
It would be 2 over 16. 2 over 16, which would be 1 by 8. 8, yes.
So black will be the 2 black, 2 upon 16, 1 over 8. Okay, now look for another question.
Another question. Another one is May, June 2016. 2016, paper 43. And
May, June 16, paper 43.
yes, question 4. 4 questions.
fx is equal to x square minus 1
No,
upon.
no, not this one. It was, I think it's paper 43. Paper 43.
Oh. Now, coins are put into a machine to pay for parking car. The probability that the machine rejects a coin is 0.05. Adhera puts 2 coins into the machine. Calculate the probability that the machine reject both the coins. Probability of rejection into rejection. So when you get a repetition, you will write the same entry and multiply.
Sir, this would be 1/400.
No, please keep it in decimal. Na? Just keep it in decimal. Are you getting the answer in fraction?
Yes, but then when I change it, it turns into scientific notation. Answer.
So anyways, what's the answer point? 0.025?
Yeah, yes, it's 2.5 times 10⁻³
That's fine. If you want to remove this power, this is called scientific notation. This is fine, but this is a good thing to learn because gradually you should learn all the main functions of this calculator. So if you press the shift button and then press E and G, if you press the button shift and then press the button E and G.
ENG. Oh, sir, where's ENG?
I think it should, if it is Casio, it should be in small buttons in the last row. From the top, the last row, it should be there.
Um, sir, I don't think there's any ENG.
Um, Actually, there is an ENG. If you have the same calculator which you have sent to me,
Yes, I do. Yes.
look at this.
ENG or on, oh, you send me on,
Still you can't find it. I made an arrow.
oh, yes.
Calculate the probability that the machine accepts at least 1 coin. So machine machine accepts the first coin and rejects the second, or rejects the first coin and accept the second. So if you see the rejection, this is rejection, what would be the probability of acceptance? Acceptance, not rejection.
Acceptance, it would be 0.05 because one coin would be, for one coin, it would be yes. One.
If rejection is 0.05, acceptance will be 0.95. How come 0.95? Where it is, from where it is coming up?
It's coming from, it's from one, for one coin.
When you subtract from 1, when you want to negate it, so acceptance 0.95 into rejection 0.05 plus 0.95 into 0.05. Now, at least means one coin. So is it possible that it accept, he says at least, that machine accept at least one coin. So is it possible that it accepts both of them? At least means what?
Yeah, yes, it means that at least one. So it could be more than one.
Yes, very good. Now you have to share this working.
Yes. Yes, I copied.
Okay, fine. Solve this for me. We'll get the answer.
Sir, the answer that I get is 0.9975.
0.9975.
Yes.
Raj puts 4 coins into the machine. Calculate the probability that the machine rejects exactly one coin, only one coin. But obviously, he is putting 4 coins, so probability would be reject, 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 and accept. He says only one. So I have made this option. Or what is the other option? I have accepted the 4th coin. Okay, reject, reject, accept, reject. Look at these options. There actually only one option, but accepted coin position is changing. This is how probability shows all the outcomes. Rejection is 0.05. into 0.05, second rejection. Third rejection is 0.05 and the fourth rejection is 0.95. Now, as the same combination is being repeated 4 times, I will simply multiply it by 4.
Wait, sir, how could you multiply with 4?
If one combination is being repeated 4 times, if one combination is being repeated 4 times and you're adding it, for example, I asked you to add 3 4 times. Can you tell me what answer you get? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3.
I would get 12.
12. Okay, if I do, instead of adding, if I do 4 into 3, what I will get?
Same answer.
So why I multiplied by 4?
Because you're adding. Yes, you're gonna add all the numbers and they're being added 4 times.
You're adding the same number how many times?
4 times.
4 times. So this is a logic you can multiply. This is a logic you can multiply. So I have used the same logic there.
Yes, sir. I got 4.4.
It can't be 4.4. Probability can never be more than 1.
Oh, I did 0.05 plus 0.05.
Plus?
Yes.
No, there is no
Plus.
plus sign.
Oh, okay. Times?
Look at the screen, please.
Sir, that's why I got confused, because usually when you add, then you
Again, I repeat the same concept. The bracket you are looking at is one pair, R, R, R. Look at again carefully. Actually, I have solved only this. I have only solved this. R into R into R into R. You're right. In place of or, I should be writing plus. Then this bracket is repeated 4 times. So I am multiplied by 4. This bracket you are looking is only the translation of R, 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 A, the first, which I have now circled green. This is the calculation for the first combination. I have not written all of them. You can write it the same entry 4 times. So see the calculation.
Yes, sir, I got 4.75 times 10 to the negative 4 power.
4.75 10 to the power.
Negative 4. Negative 4. Yes.
So this would be the answer.
Yes.
Even though this question is not related, but as the time is finishing, we can try to do this question as a link question. It's a question on mean and it's a group data. So I'm writing the formula for you so you can get the formula memory back. And two 25 to 75. What are these numbers I'm writing in blue?
Those are the mid values.
Yes. And mid values are used in for mean.
Yes. Sir, okay, for one, it's um 325. 325 plus 375.
Where?
The 300 to 350, isn't it
Ah,
325?
one. So you can complete it and that's fine. I have made a mistake here. It should be 27 into 325. Let me know once you complete this one and you can send me the solution later. We'll just keep it up to here and we will inshallah continue in the next class.
Okay.
Allah Hafiz.